dog to be euthanized. Sometimes we even rescue dogs that are 20 minutes away from being euthanized. We give them a second chance and they know it. They are so grateful for everything we do, and they're the sweetest, most lovable dogs ever. The money would be used towards going to get new kennels and food and a new air conditioning unit to keep all our dogs and volunteers cool. The more kennels we can get, the more lives we can save. This is my little 2-month-old boxer. I'm adopting him from In Dog We Trust. They were at Miami date. His mom and dad were there. His dad was euthanized, and his mom died during birth, and they were going to be put down. We came and we got them, and they were so sweet.
Cross your mind anytime. Do you ever wake up